Now then, it's 9:20 in the morning. I had a fantastic sleep last night in that bed, really comfortable, really nice temperature as well in the room. Hungover? Not too bad, but again, last night I vowed I wasn't going to go drinking, and I did. I'm in a German bar on Soi 11.
Hello, I love you.
Darling, I'm on Soi 8.
Baby Mark.
Huh?
You
You do lottery now? You play lottery? Len lottery?
Baht, yeah.
Yeah? I went along Sukhumvit, a couple of bars, expensive as hell. Well, 140 baht, 125 baht. I went down Soi 11, again, 125 baht I think. Then I went into the new beer bar complex, had a number of beers in there. Then I walked down towards Nana Plaza, Sukhumvit 4, went in one bar, absolutely atrocious, the beer was warm, got approached by a freelancer. She must have been 50, not for me, and I just said, no thank you, I'm tired, I just look football. And she flipped and gave me a mouthful. So I just only drank a quarter of that beer, that was 140 baht. Then I had a walk around Nana Plaza, the prices in there, not for me, I'm sorry. And then from Nana Plaza I walked back down on the side of Nana Plaza towards my hotel and went Soi 8, a little bar on Soi 8, and that was 110 baht for a Leo, and lady drink was 150. A nice little bar, a little Thai bar, and I was chatting to a girl called Pym. I bought her a couple of drinks, I think 2, and I had 3. And then I came home. She was a nice girl, but you can't believe what they say. She said she'd worked there for 3 days. Now, it could be true because there was a Mama-san and the manager kept having to get her to serve a customer because she was talking to me. I said to the Mama-san, having a bit of a joke, oh, she's my girlfriend, she speak with me, I buy her a drink. And the Mama-san basically said, it's not that sort of bar, it's just a music bar. And she's a new lady, she have to take care of the customers. Oh, okay. Anyway, she kept coming back. So I've got a line ID. So I asked her if during the day she wanted to show me around Bangkok and have a day out with me. I told her to do a little bit of filming and everything. And she said she doesn't know anything about Bangkok because she's only been here for just over a week. And she said, what Aaron? And but I said, oh, I've been there. So that's that out of the window really. And then I thought, should I take her to Ayutthaya? But then I'd have to pay, even though it's not one of them bars, I'd have to probably pay to get her out there, a salary, or there'd be something I'd have to pay. But she said to me, yeah, I can go to Ayutthaya, but only with friends, only as friend. So is she new, or she just didn't like me, or was she just saying that so I wouldn't think anything bad of her, or what, I don't know. So I told her I was going to go to Pier when I come back to Bangkok. If she might go to Ayutthaya with me and have a look round. Just go for one night or something. I don't know, it's just an option. But this is possibly just mostly a members only video. Bangkok, so expensive. What I'm gonna do, if it stops raining, I'm gonna retrace my steps where I went last night and film and tell you the prices and what I paid. Then also I'm gonna go to Terminal 21 to the food court because it's nice, clean food, cheap. And then I'm gonna have to have a look at my Google Maps and try and find a few things to do. Now what's going to be difficult perhaps is in the evenings. What can I do? Where can I go? I'm going to have to try and kill some time because I don't really want to end up drinking, especially on Nana and even Soi 7-1. It's got a new name, the bar complex. I can't remember, I'll show you later. Even though it was good fun and the girls are nice, very expensive, very expensive. I know it's a capital city. So during my walkabout today, I might try and see if there's some smaller size around my hotel with smaller bars and just go out and have a few beers tonight and not get involved in any of them shenanigans of lady drinks and whatever. You need a fortune. You need a fortune to go out here. God knows what it would be in Nana Plaza go-go bars. God knows. Anyway, I made a couple of videos having a rant on my way back to my room last night, and I made a video talking with Pym for maybe 20 minutes, I can't remember. So I'm going to upload them mostly to my members channel and I'll take some segments out and put them onto my normal channel. So I've not looked at the footage yet, I'm just copying it onto my hard drive. Luckily this place, there's a 7-Eleven just around the corner. I got lost last night walking back. Well, not lost, I went past, it's only a little side street here, and went past it by about 200 metres, and then I stood there and tried to look at my Google Maps, and all the Thai people all sat around eating and on the motorbikes. Farang mau, farang mau. And I just turned and said, Farang mai mau. And they all started laughing, and then one of them said, what do you look for? And I said, I find now just down here, Leo side. They all started laughing, so I just walked past a little side side. A couple of bars on here, but I never went in. So I'm going to do a bit more exploring today when it stops raining. I've had a shower, put another coat of blonde on my hair. So I'm going to try and utilise my time in Bangkok to make quite a few videos. Could I have got a girl last night? Yes. I will tell you all about what the price is. I've put a few clips in of what the girls were asking. I'm not going to pay that much. No. Anyway, I'll just get myself ready to go out and whatever, and over and out.